it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, these are the assets that we will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. It's went on uptrend right from here. We actually milked that yesterday, and it's finished at the early hour of today. Okay, but earlier today when I was doing my video, I said this has actually got into the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. Okay, as we can see, it switched into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. So it's achieved all our TPs, TP1, 2, 3. Okay, and of course we still have some down here. However, it is having a pullback right now. Okay, so this pullback is like trading liquidity. Okay, so after the pullback, then it will continue with the downtrend. So let's see how far the pullback will go and get a sell signal for us before we jump into it. For now, it is buying until it is down with a pullback. Okay, so for now it is buying. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame, GainX 999 actually got to the resistance zone just the way I had explained earlier today. And of course, just the way you are seeing it, it sold and achieved the first two TPs and came back down to create liquidity. Okay, and of course, we're going to adjust the settings a bit in order for us to make more profit from here. I'm expecting this to give us a downtrend signal any moment from now, and also give us a sell signal right from there. So I'm just going to adjust this backward a bit, and of course I expect us to achieve multiples with these guys, multiples with this. So let's take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so these are the highlighted TPs, but wait for the downtrend signals, wait for the what's it called, for the sell signal before you jump into it. Okay, so this is going to be our last TP, okay, for this particular asset. Okay, so all these will happen if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, right now we've not been given a downtrend signal, and we've not been given a sell signal. Okay, so keep on waiting until you are able to achieve that. Okay, but for now we've gotten the liquidity, and of course we it has been rejected, okay, at this resistance zone also. So we are expecting it to switch fully into a downtrend, and of course it should also sell at that particular point. So once it activates our entry point, then we can milk the market right from there. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is why I am putting a sell signal in the bracket, because we are expecting it to buy. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 at uptrend, breaking out from most resistance zone. It broke out from here and got to this region again, still broke out from there, and it is still buying. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, let's see what is happening with Paynex 999, still on 15-minute time frame. Just the way I had explained earlier today, this actually gave us a lot of profit. It started yesterday. This is the signal, and it's achieved all our TPs as of this morning, and as you can see, it is still buying. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, to keep on buying until it is unable to break out from the next resistance zone. Okay, so now let's move on. We will be checking out FX volume 80. together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, we've been expecting this. Okay, this actually started a buy signal right from here, and it started it 3 days ago, and it got to this resistance and tried to sell a bit, went back to create liquidity, and of course, it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. So this is going to sell right from there. Okay, so now let's see how far this will go. So guys, I'm going to draw this here, okay, to highlight the resistance zone, and that is going to be our stop loss also, okay. So then this is going to be somewhere here should be our entry point, okay. And of course, we're going to have some highlighted TPs. Let's see, okay, okay, good. And good. So these are our highlighted TPs, and this is going to be the last one. Okay, so let's see how far this will go. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right there. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.